Got one. Oh, it came off.
What are you fishing with?
The little yellow thing that I caught them on at Sheridan Pond. Hey, careful. Now I got him. There we go, Mom. Boom. I did.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Oh, that's why. He's still on and I just flung him out there. Oh, it's a different fish.
We got weeds in a baby, huh? That looks like a lure.
There's a bigger boy following him. Look at right there.
I don't see it.
That is quite the little boy. Got one. Watch this.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Got one. Got that boy. Yeah, yeet.
Alright.
Cousin.
Another one, Mavis.
Yeah, yeet. Where's the dog? Where's the dog?
He's looking.
Mavis, come on. You want to come see this? She's just staring. She did. Alright. Alright, Mavis. You don't have to come see the fish if you don't want to. Little fish and fly. Here you go, big boy. No!
Mission failed.
I can't both with big boys on this rod.
Just in time. Brought him in just in time, otherwise I would have lost one.
Got one. Oh, it's a little boy, big boy.
I'm going to put this so nobody steps on it.
Let's feed my bluegill to your best, Mom.
It is 12 inches. Not big enough, right?
Footy.
Should I throw him back?
I wouldn't keep it.
Alright.
Hang on. Let's get the two fish. Let's get the best eating the bluegill.
Careful, that's where I have the hook.
Nom nom nom.
Bye, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry, Mavis. Did you want to feed him? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Making sure you didn't lose the big boy. Oh, got one.
I would have lost my hook too.
I got one, Mom. I'm getting pretty goated at this, aren't I?
Goated?
Goated. I'm straight most goated fly fisherman around. Nope. Earlier. No, I caught the little boy. There's a big boy right down there. Oh shoot, he got off. Dang it, he swam away after I caught that fish. There's a big boy, Mom. Stupid little boy. Take away my chance to catch a big boy. Stupid boy.
Psych!
And now, some peaceful wind noises. That was odd. You like stopped fighting for a few seconds, then resumed. I don't know. Rock bass. I'm not gonna see that. GG. That's a little boy. Little boy pumpkin seed. Alright, we got another boy. Let's see exactly how big this one is. Oh, little. Oh, it looks like a little largy. What? No, little rock bass. Never mind, little rock bass. Thought it was a little largy at first because I saw the mouth. Get him? Yeah, I think I got him. Another little boy. Thanks for unhooking yourself, bud. Ah, but you could have landed in the water at least. Got a little tiny boy. Little tiny boy. Here we go. Well, not too bad. Not too bad. I don't know. I'll let that one go. Alright guys, gonna head back in for a little bit.